Hey, you. Yeah, you. You ever play with somebody on Valorant who's just really mean to you? They're just being mean for no reason. They're yelling at you. They think they're better than you. They got an ego through the roof, and they're just being a jerk face. Do you want to know a tip for how to win with those people more often? I mean, like, obviously, nobody wants to play with them. But you want to know a tip that's going to help you win more games when you have people who are just assholes on your team, so you can actually come out of the game at least with a win if you have to put up with somebody like that. You want to know a good tip? Don't fucking argue with them. Dude, the people who argue with those assholes or they try to fight it for whatever reason are almost as bad as the people who are being assholes. I mean, obviously not. Obviously, they're not bad people. But like, oh my god. Obviously, I don't think those people are bad people. What I'm saying is that if your goal is to win, you're not going to gain anything out of trying to argue with this person. You're not going to gain it. I mean, like, this feels obvious, but you're not going to gain anything out of, like, trying to defend yourself either. You see so many people, they need to get the last word in. They absolutely need to. They need to, dude. If it's the last thing they do, they're gonna get the last word in the argument. And just cut that shit out, dude. You're fucking pissing me off as a bystander, the third party, dude. You're getting yelled at by this dude, and like he's yelling at you, and you're yelling at him, and you're both trying to prove something to the strangers on the internet that you don't even fucking know, dude. I just don't care. I don't care. I'm sorry. When you two are arguing in the game, I just want to win. I just want to win the game. And when you two are arguing, our chances of winning go down so drastically. No, this was prompted on my stream the other day when I had a guy on our team. I was pretty tilted at the time because I kept losing games. But somebody told him that he needs to do something. And he was like, sorry, man, I can't live up to your standards. I was getting pushed by all these people. And I was just like, dude, you didn't need the live up to your standards thing. Just be like, oh, I'm sorry, man. Like, I fucked up. It's my bad. You know? Or mute him. At the very least, just mute him. You don't need to talk to this man. Who cares? He's some dude on the internet who lives in his mom's basement. He probably eats Doritos and then he spills all the Dorito dust all over his keyboard and his mom yells at him for it. And then his internet goes out and he screams at the man on the phone who has no responsibility over it. He's just a man who runs the phone line. And then the man who runs the phone line goes home to complain to his wife at the end of the day because he got yelled at by some random dude on the internet that he doesn't even know. And now somebody who wasn't even in the game is upset. It's your fault that man went home to his wife and complained, man. Just please, for the love of God, just mute people. Please. You don't need to get in the last word. It's not going to make you bigger. At the end of the day, you still lose because you queued into that game and you wanted to win. And now you're not going to win because you just started an argument with this guy and he fucking left the game because he's that sensitive. To fully reiterate my point, because it seems like a lot of the people who comment on my YouTube videos are really fucking dumb and they don't understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying it's your fault that guy's a dick. I'm saying that it's not in your best interest to argue with him. What are you trying to prove? I'm sure I'm going to get 3 comments that are like, wow, King, maybe people just shouldn't be assholes. That's not the point. The point is I'm trying to win my game, so I don't want you to be arguing with him. You're a competent player. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe you're a competent player. Maybe you're not. But I just like, I don't know. It's easier to win. People aren't yelling at each other. You know what I mean, man? I made my video yesterday complaining about not having a map veto. Like, just give me 1 map veto. But aside from that, this is another big issue in the game, man. Like, when I queue into a game and like every other game, we have 2 people who just need to prove something, man. They just gotta yell at each other. They gotta get it out. It's just tilting as fuck, dude. Just mute each other. Nobody gives a shit. And I'll be the one to say that. On a similar note, I'm back into the phase of not really liking playing Valorant. So I'm really hoping that Breeze changes things up for me. New act, fresh start. I'll be able to experience it all from a new set of lenses. Other than that, we're gonna be running deathmatch for some time here because deathmatch is fun. Ranting and deathmatch is fun. Doing VOD reviews is fun. Watching other people's gameplay, I can do that shit. Don't want to do my own gameplay, dude. I'm down bad and upset. Speaking of VOD reviews, we're still doing VOD reviews over on the Patreon channel. So if you wanted to go check out our Patreon, feel free to do so. We have the first one available on there for free. Other than that, join the Patreon chat and Discord. If you're already a patron, you can send me your VODs and I'll try to review them on the Patreon. I just get triple peek, dude. Nobody's peeking anything. I just jump out there. Everyone's just sitting in a fucking corner. Surely he's not showers, right? Okay, he's showers. Dude, you ever winning a DM and then you just die like 10 times in a row and it just pisses you off, man? I gotta use a different phrase. I've been pissed off too much lately. Makes me minorly upset. This Sage is literally just like bunny hopping around very poorly. And then she'll peek angles and shit, you know? As people do in deathmatch, they peek angles. The audacity on this Sage. I hate everything. Boo! I don't know what that noise I just made was, but we got the ace, boys. We got the ace. I don't know. That's my rant for the day, though, guys. Like, just arguing with people on the internet, you gotta recognize you never win. You're never a winner in an internet argument. When I argue with this, like, fucking 22-year-old who's just sad about his life and he's living in his mom's basement and he doesn't have any friends and... Wait. No, wait. That's me. Shit. Can't even win deathmatch, man. Anyway, that was a joke, guys. I love you. Okay, see you later. Peace out, guys.